Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a double crochet. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make a slip knot. Then you're going to put your hook through and pull tight. Then you're going to start chaining until your project is long enough for whatever it is you're making. So once your chain is done, you're going to start crocheting. You're going to be going in this chain right there, so you're going to yarn over, put your hook under 2 loops over 1 in that stitch, pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You should have 2 loops on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over one more time and pull through both loops. And that's it. You're just going to continue doing 1 double crochet in each chain until you get to the very end of the row. Once you're at the end of the row, you're going to make sure that you do the very last stitch. Then instead of chaining 1 like you would for a single crochet, you're going to chain 2. Then you're going to turn your work around and you're going to start the next row. So we're going to be doing 1 double crochet in all of those holes that you see there. So you're just going to start with the very first hole, going to yarn over, insert the hook in the first hole, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the last 2 loops. Then you're just going to keep doing 1 double crochet in each stitch until you get to the end of the row. Then you're going to chain 2 and turn around. You're just going to keep doing this until your project gets as big as you need it to be. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please remember to like and subscribe.